Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Slurps Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today we're making a handmade noodle soup all the way from Laos. And if you don't know where Laos is, it's right by Thailand. It's right nestled in Southeast Asia, in the Golden Triangle. Tons of flavors here like lemongrass, galangal. You're gonna get nice shallots in there as well, a little bit of chilies. It's gonna be super flavorful. And I'll admit I've never actually had any food from Laos, but again, knowing where this is situated in the world, I knew that these flavors would just go together. So today I'm making KHAO PIAK SEN, and correct me if that's wrong pronunciation. It is a really super aromatic chicken noodle soup. But what sets this chicken noodle soup apart from others is its rich, flavorful broth and it's super chewy tapioca and rice starch noodles. These noodles you make from scratch, and you'll be surprised that it only has a few ingredients in it. It is actually very simple to make the entire recipe from the start to finish. I even went ahead and fried the crispy shallots, crispy garlic, all the toppings there, which you could of course just buy store-bought, already prepared, not a big deal. The broth, again, like all of this makes a ton of food. I was eating this for days, no complaints. I never wanted it to end. It was so good. So just keep that in mind. Either you can freeze half of the stock or maybe you can freeze some of the noodles as well so you have some for later. Whatever you do, just know this makes a lot of food. But enough of me talking, let's go ahead and give it a try. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!